Remote control cars, the ultimate mini racing adventure. Get ready for an incredible world where speed, technology, and imagination come together. Remote control cars are not just toys. They are miniature machines built for adventure, competition, and endless fun. From powerful off-road trucks climbing over challenging obstacles to high-speed racing cars flying around amazing tracks, every moment creates a new challenge. These tiny vehicles can transform any place into a real racing arena. Imagine building a custom track with sharp turns, ramps, tunnels, and difficult paths. Every curve demands control, every jump requires precision, and every race brings a new excitement. With a remote in your hands, you become the driver, controlling every movement and pushing your car to its limits. Modern remote control cars feature impressive technology. Some models can reach incredible speeds, handle rough terrain, and perform amazing tricks. With powerful motors, strong suspension systems, LED lights, and realistic designs, they feel like real racing machines in a smaller size. But the fun is not only about speed. Creating unique tracks and challenging obstacles is part of the adventure. You can build a mountain trail, a city race course, or an extreme obstacle path. The possibilities are limited only by your creativity. Remote control cars bring people together. Friends and family can compete in races, test their driving skills, and create unforgettable moments. Whether you're a beginner or a professional hobby enthusiast, there's always a new challenge waiting. The combination of engineering, creativity, and competition makes remote control cars one of the most exciting hobbies in the world. Every race tells a story, every jump creates a memory, and every new track brings another adventure. So, grab your controller, prepare your track, and get ready for the ultimate remote control experience. The race is about to begin.